Hi, this is Eric, the Parts Doctor, and today we're going to show you how to replace the Fresh Food Heater Harness and Defrost Thermostat on your GE refrigerator. If you need to purchase a new Fresh Food Heater Harness and Defrost Thermostat for your refrigerator, check out our website, partsdoctor.com, where we sell parts for all major appliance brands. The heater harness and defrost thermostat is used during the automatic defrost cycle. If the part fails, it can cause the automatic defrost system to stop working and the refrigerator not to cool properly. If the evaporator coil is frozen over, you'll need to wait for the frost or ice to fully melt before completing the repair. After completing the repair, you will need to allow the refrigerator to fully defrost before reassembly, as the automatic defrost system will not be able to catch up on its own. Since we will be working on the refrigerator's electrical components, disconnect power to the refrigerator. Start by opening the doors. Then, pull the doors forward, lift up, and pull out to remove. Remove the crisper frame by lifting up and sliding forward. Be careful, as the glass panel will come out with the assembly. Remove the deli drawer by pulling forward, tilting up, and sliding out. Using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove the 2 screws holding the front deli cover in place. Then, lift the cover up, being careful as it is still connected by wires. Disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Next, remove the rear cover by lifting it up and out. With the sides fully closed, remove the 2 screws holding them in place using a Phillips head screwdriver. Then, remove the slides. Remove the screws holding the side supports in place using a 1/4 inch nut driver. Then, slide them forward to remove. Using a flathead screwdriver, gently pry the fan connector cover away from the evaporator cover. Then, using a 1/4 inch nut driver, remove these 5 screws. Then, disconnect the electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Remove the cover. Disconnect the wiring harness electrical connector by depressing the locking tab. Remove the defrost thermostat from the refrigerant tube by pressing on the retaining clip. There are 2 electrical connectors on the defrost heater, one here and one here. To remove them, pull firmly with needle nose pliers. This will require some force. Disconnect the ground wire. Carefully pull the wiring harness away from the evaporator coil. If you need to purchase a new heater harness and defrost thermostat, you can check out our website, partsdoctor.com. We'll leave a link in the description below. You want to make sure you are searching with the model number from the tag on your refrigerator to make sure you are getting the correct part. To install, align the wiring harness electrical connectors to the ports on the defrost heater. Then, reconnect the electrical connectors by aligning and pressing firmly in place. Using needle nose pliers, install the ground wire by aligning it to the metal ground and press into place. Reinstall the defrost thermostat by aligning it to the refrigerant tube and pressing into place. Then, reconnect the electrical connector. Insert the cover at an angle, being sure it seats behind the lip on the bottom of the housing. Then, rotate the top into place beneath the air tower. Reconnect the electrical connector and reinstall the screws. Align the fan connector cover to the refrigerator housing and press until it snaps back into place. To install, align the side supports to the refrigerator housing and slide into place. Be sure to feed the wire through the opening on the left side. Then, reinstall the screws. Next, align the notches on the slides to the tabs on the side supports and press into place. Then, reinstall the screws. Next, set the rear cover in place. Then, reconnect the electrical connector to the front cover, align it to the frame, and set back into place. Reinstall the 2 screws. Then, with the slides extended, set the deli drawer in place, being sure the notches on the drawer align to the tabs on the slide. Next, align the crisper frame to the tabs on the refrigerator housing and set into place. Finally, reinstall the drawers by aligning and pushing back into place. That's it for today's video, and if you liked this video, make sure to leave us a like and comment down below, and for more videos like this, please consider subscribing.